So I'm vlogging today with Jess.
Hi.
And what are we doing today, Jess?
We are going to recreate celebrities' Instagrams.
Yeah.
They're not the same ones. So.
Yeah, she's gonna recreate Paul from Big Brother's Instagram, and I'm gonna recreate Ashley Tisdale's Instagram. So we're gonna vlog the process today.
Yeah.
Let's go!
He sits so freaking weird. I hope he hears this. Don't edit me. Don't put music over this. You're freaking weird. You sit so strange. It hurts my pelvis to sit like this.
Oh god.
Okay. So now I can look like I left the oven on and I'm not really 100% sure if my house is still there. Okay.
Oh god.
Okay. So is it like this? Do you see his fingers?
Let me go back and look. Yeah, kind of.
Is my elbow touching my leg?
No. Yeah.
This is like, guess who?
Is
Does he have glasses? Okay, so. Woo!
Hey!
Ow! Oh my god.
Huh?
Huh.
Oh, it is recording already.
Ah.
Please don't fall. Don't jostle the vehicle.
Okay, well, that's the picture.
Okay.
And then to get to my camera, you can double click the lock button on the side.
Oh. Oh.
And the picture's on the side. It's like
Yes.
a landscape thing.
Yes.
Okay, so I think this one's supposed to be looking for if I had a manual vehicle. I'd be looking down at the gear shift, like so, but with my eyes and not my face. Also, he's like...
What?
I have to go back because his arm is like this, right?
Yes.
So...
Yeah. Okay, get in position.
Alright,
and
so
I'll direct you.
is his hand over the steering wheel or is it on?
It's over the steering wheel.
It's like this?
It's like resting like right there.
Okay, cool. And then my face is looking towards the road, but
Not exactly. You're looking at this.
Okay.
So angle your head just a teensy bit more towards me.
What's his facial expression?
Furrowed brows, otherwise blank expression. No offense.
This is literally gonna become a video of just me dragging Paul like through the dirt. It's completely fine though. I'm so sorry. Like I'm trying my best here.
Oh god. Okay.
We should interrupt this regularly scheduled program for a carpool karaoke on the way to our locations later.
Yes! Oh my god.
I like this jacket. Jeffree Star did a good job.
Right?
I really like this. It's a good color.
Yeah.
It hits the light nice. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go buy a Dead Skull apparel windbreaker. I'm so bad at this.
Okay.
Okay.
Next photo!
Shots at this.
Okay.
If any shots at this.
Come here. Let me see defeats. Let me see defeats. Good girl. Good girl. It's okay. It's alright. That's probably as good as we're gonna get.
Okay, so now just look like you are really proud of your life. This is how far you've come. Is you and
Elsa! What's that? What's that? Out the window. Alright, fine.
I'm sorry, I got your face. Alright, cool. Yeah, the only thing different is her arms more down because your dog's smaller.
I know,
so.
but yeah, that's as good as we're gonna. Good girl!
So we have that. I think that's good.
Okay, I have 5 chins, but whatever.
I tried getting as good an angle as I could, but I really don't think it looks bad. So, like that's hers. And then if you crop yours.
I feel like her head is turned more though.
I mean,
But
we can do it again if you want. Do you think the dog will cooperate? No, do it again.
good girl, good girl, good girl. Come here, it's okay.
So chin up, not so up that you look like you're suffocating, and there. Okay, I think those might be better.
Baby!
Before you put the dog down.
I tried, Ashley. Maui is much more cooperative.
And small.
And small, yeah. You're such a good girl, though. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Hey.
Okay. So this is what we're committing to then.
The smell of your skin lingers on me now. You're probably on your flight back to your hometown. I need some shelter of my own protection, baby. Be with myself in center. Clarity, peace, serenity. I hope you know, I hope you know that this has nothing to do with you. It's personal, myself and I. We got some figuring out to do, and I'm gonna miss you like a child misses their blanket. But I've gotta get a move on with my life. It's time to be a big girl now, and big girls don't cry.
Lies.
La la la. Don't cry, don't cry.
Except for me, I'm a big fat crybaby.
Same. Oh God, so many peapod trucks. And then there's
This person's smart. They like pulled over to the side to see if there's
Yes,
another
thank
person.
you. Thank you, person.
you.
I must take a baby steps till
Yeah, there's like these kind of.
That's good enough. That's a cross between cinder blocks and
Yeah.
regular bricks.
I mean, you can pull over right over here,
Oh,
as opposed to going, or we can go up there. Whatever.
we can go here.
Okay.
There's bricks everywhere. It's a big
Yeah.
building.
Yeah.
I foresee the dark ahead if I stay.
I like how it stops right there. Like,
I hope you know that this has nothing to do with you. It's personal, myself and I. We've got some figuring out to do, and I'm gonna miss you like a child misses their blanket. But I gotta get a move on with my life.
I was like into this song before I even like had a first love.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I was like, yeah, I gotta get a move on. Guy I don't even talk to.
Like a little schoolmate in the schoolyard, we'll play Jackson, Uno cards. I'll be your best friend, and you'll be my Valentine. Yes, you can hold my hand if you want to.
All right, let's go take the picture.
This conversation ends.
Take the New York 27 West ramp on the left.
Look back at
La 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 la. Look back at it.
La 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 la.
Look back. Hot dogs.
There's the hot dog guy.
Continue on New York 27 West for 2 miles.
La 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 la. Hey, when you leave, but I love when I walk away. But you can make you look back, look back, look back. But you can make you look back, look back, look back. Tell yourself that we're just friends.
In 2 miles, take exit 53 toward New York
Back at it.
112 Patch Oak.
Hey! So, we went out to take some more of the photos, and then we had lunch at this seafood place that was really, really good. There's my laundry in the background behind Jess.
I'll just block it with my head.
So,
I'm so short.
so now, I have one more photo we need taken for me, so we're about to go outside and do that, and then we're gonna chill. Hey. So we are currently laying on my bed, listening to music, and
Getting Angie matches on Tinder.
yeah, just swiping.
Because I have
Tinder.
good taste, so I'm picking the men like this.
So that's what we're doing.
I just was like, what is this on my crotch? I found the mouth roll.
I
I just had another mouth stroke. And you
all right. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here.
Goodbye.
Potentially.
Maybe.
You
Unless
know.
I'm really funny later.
Unless you see more footage, then we didn't end the vlog here. But so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And
if you're either of the celebrities we copied, I'm sorry.
we love you, we're sorry. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out Jess's blog, which will be linked in the description box.
Whenever that is.
Yeah. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!